Hey guys and gals, what's up? Kaikane Smith here, coming at you straight out of Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Just got a few minutes, so I'm going to pop out another video. What if your private ESL student falls in love with you? Okay? Never bite, or should I say, get intimate or bang the hand that feeds. Meaning, don't have sex with your students unless you are aware of the fact that they will not be sticking around too long unless you establish some type of romantic, intimate, or physical relationship with them. I have had intimate relationships with far too many students to count in the past, just because I wanted to get a piece of the pie. My female friends who are also private English lesson masters, such as myself, also had sex with too many of their private students with a big dose of regret in the end. Once you get too close to them, they will most likely, 99%, not want to continue to pay for your time. Of course, you are then in turn losing a client and losing money. So ladies and gentlemen, think before you let your sexual emotions take over with your private ESL English language students. Okay, so that's a wrap for today. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. I apologize for the background noise. I'm just sitting at a cafe outside in Shibuya. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference service as well that will definitely help you out during your journey of getting rich quick teaching English overseas. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.